Bitch want party with Cardi. Cardi a body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly.
Hello, motherfucker.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I forgot to record an intro, so I'm sorry, but my name is Mikkel. I don't think I've said my name in the past video. But for today's look, we're going to start off with this blue from the James Charles palette. We're going to pack it on to from the outer corner of our eye into our crease. And as you see, I did use the wrong brush again, so it's taking me a good minute to pack on the color. Okay, so here's when I actually started to use the correct brush to pack on the color, and you guys see how it gets more vibrant. So basically right here I'm just packing on the color all over my crease, and then I'm going to blend the edges out. Okay, so now right here I'm just taking a big fluffy brush and just blending out those edges. Honestly, y'all, this blending took me a good minute. At this point, I was starting to give up on this look because the blue wasn't blending out how I wanted it to. But obviously, since this video was up, I didn't give up on it. But I was just thinking here, I'm like, you know what, I'm going to just add a little extra blue to this. Okay, so now once that I got the blue blended out how I wanted to, I took this shade and blended it out towards the top by my brow. Okay, so now here I'm just going to take this Fenty Beauty concealer to carve out my crease. Okay, now here I'm just going to take this big brush and just blend it all out. Well, not all of it out, just where the crease is. Okay, so now right here I'm going in with that same blue that I used to blend out my crease earlier, and I'm just going to pack that on at the end of where I cut the crease at, and then just blend that on out. My thinking face trying to figure out which blue shimmer shade I should use. I decided to go with this blue shimmer shade. It's a darker blue, and then just pack that on. You see, I'm starting to like this look now. Okay, so now I'm just going to take this light blue shade and just pack the rest of this on the crease towards where the blue is, and just finish closing up this crease. Okay, so next I'm just going to take this color and pack it on to the inner corner of my eye. Okay, so now I'm just going to clean up everything and just blend these two blues together. Okay, so now I'm just going to take this Q-tip and clean up all the fallout. I did my other eye off camera, and this is how the look turned out. My lashes are Lily Lashes in the style Miami. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.